So ngayon, magbabakasyon na. Ano kaya ang mga gagawin ng mga kabataan? So, first one, marami tayong pwedeng gawin. So, like what you asked, don't worry. I have something for you na magagawa ninyo during the holidays. So, hindi tayo magiging lazy or sit around doing nothing with your day. So, letting ourselves mesh into one long continual nap fest. Right. So, first one, so you can cook or you can bake something during Christmas. Kasi alam niyo naman na pwede tayong maging expert cook pagdating ng panahon. So what better to get you in the holiday spirit than baking a pie or some cakes? Your home will be filled with a delicious aroma and you'll have a great gift to take to a holiday party or share with any house guest that stop by. And next is number 2, catch up with old friends. Pretty much everyone went to high school, would be off school for the holidays, so you can use this time to catch up, relive old times, and get the gang together to reminisce about the good old days, right? So keep in touch with your friends. Next, syempre tataba tayo. Kaya number 3, exercise. Kasi alam ko, ang dami niyong kakainin. So stay healthy and combat the holiday bulge by keeping up with a regular exercise regimen. You look and, more importantly, feel better. So, next, what I have said. Okay, number 4. Alright, number 4 is plan next semester schedule. So, it's time to get a jump start on planning next semester while you have time and there's no time like the present. Additionally, you should start creating a game plan for next semester now before you get too busy to do so later. Next we have number 5. So number 5, catch up on your reading. So you can find some interesting books. So like what I do in every vacation. So I usually read books. So some books I have read, syempre gusto kong history. So I love history. So what else? Another thing is just party. So just enjoy the vacation. So enjoying vacation, pero yung mga projects na binigay ng teacher, so siguro gawin nyo some other time, pero just focus with your family because in number 6, family comes first. Sabi nga nila ngayon sa ABS-CBN, sabi nila family is love. So family is love, that's really true. Pero kailangan mag-enjoy kayo with your family. Kasi your family is the only treasure that you can treasure. Yun ang babalikan ninyo kapag iniwan ka ng jowa mo. Alam mo na yan, ha? So, yan lang ang bibigay ko sa inyo. So, have a happy vacation. Have the best of your holiday. Be productive. Alright? So, bye guys. God bless you.